Board-level employee representation is present in most European Union member states. There is, however, considerable variation in the constitutional form of board-level employee representation. In some countries, board-level employee representation is found throughout the economy. In other countries, for example, it is found in particular sectors. Similarly, in some countries, the election procedure involves trade unions. In others, it involves the entire workforce. Irrespective of these differences in the legal underpinning of board-level employee representation, it is clear that in all countries, some board-level employee representatives exert power over company strategic decision-making, whereas others exert influence over company strategic decision-making. It is clear that those board-level employee representatives who exert power do so in different ways. In some countries, they exert power by discussing matters until a shared position is reached with other board members, whereas in other countries, they control the management board by supervising its activities. What our survey has shown is that around 22% of board-level employee representatives in Europe exert an influence at the board. A further 33% say that their activities make a difference, that is, influence strategic company decision-making. The remaining 45% say that they are informed or consulted about activities at the board. What makes a difference is the structural characteristics of the company and the location of the board-level employee representative. In particular, where the constitutional position of the board-level employee representative is strong, then he or she can exert more influence. Similarly, if board decisions are made at board meetings, the board-level employee representative can exert influence. It is clear, however, that many board decisions are made at meetings outside of the board meeting, excluding the worker representatives. Similarly, articulation of the board-level employee representative with other institutions of labour representation within the company is also influential. Where that articulation is sophisticated and developed, the employee representative can exert more influence. The German system of board-level employee representation is integral to the German system of industrial relations. It is the means whereby employee representatives can exert a strategic influence on decision-making within the company. German board-level employee representation is also an integral link between works councils, trade unions, management and the board within the company. It is an essential component of the German system. Board-level employee representation in Germany, however, does not cover smaller companies, and it is also clear that board-level employee representatives in Montan systems of board-level employee representation in Germany exert more influence than their counterparts in parity and one-third systems of board-level employee representation. Therefore, I would argue to the critics of German board-level employee representation, a key development that needs to take place is that board-level employee representation in Germany needs to cover smaller companies, and the Montan style system needs to become more widespread.